sunny now. Left?
Unless you wanted to check the shop out?
No. It's too drunk to shop.
Do I need my sunglasses now?
I guess my bundle is in my bag.
Is it in your bag?
Yeah.
It's alright, it's safe there.
Yeah.
One picture? No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have the cover shirt?
Yes. I can't see anything.
See, almost parts of the tree have come down. Like you've seen in Nice.
Do we go the same way yesterday?
The way we came in, I thought was convenient.
But that's
There's not that many steps actually.
really alright. That's left step. It's a windy city or windy island. Oh, there's another alley up
Do you
here.
wanna go in?
No. No, I'm resisting. I see some of your glasses there. Looks like 15 pounds or something.
I see little ducks for our bathroom.
I just want to move as you rightly recommended. Watch out there. Might be slippery. Slowly, slowly. Make sure that
We can go up or we can go round.
it's okay. You said this was the easiest.
No, we came that way, remember? We didn't
Yeah.
go here. You wanna keep going?
Yeah. Unless you want to watch the view. There are benches at the top, huh? Well, at least you can rest. Oh, sorry. Oof. Those drinks.
Going so fast.
The drinks, huh?
to please close your boat and turn.
You know, my camera can be.
I know, but it's wind now, it's safe at all. But you should put it around your wrist. You don't lose it.
Come.
Do we stay up here, Freddy? Instead of going down?
We can stay there,
Yeah.
but wait. I need to do something special. Now I remember that we usually hear songs there, where you were wondering whether they have live music.
Oh, remember that when I was there, that was that bar.
Is that your... Well, I'm told that
Houses are falling down. You want to go right?
let's go this way. Depends on whether you want to climb the stairs or not.
I don't mind stairs, but you do. So it's you.
Who said I do?
Let's cross here.
If we don't mind, then we can walk all along this way. Because we'll have to climb or to follow the parking. Remember the parking that we went through just to get a sense of you see there, down there, people.
Look at the bar. It's full now.
Which bar are you looking at?
Here. It's full of people.
Oh, the plane. Because no activity in the water.
No fun today. No jet skis today.
Did she drink a lot? Drink less? Yeah.
What's going on?
We still have a couple of shops we can stop by on the way. That are always good. So we can either climb up here or go walk all along.
Inside.
Okay, let's go walk all along. No, it's okay. Just wondering whether you've eaten well or you've been well fed in Tenerife. Are you still hungry? At least you see some motivated guys here working. Where is Veronica? Are you okay? Not sure whether you're okay or not.
Gaan we wel vanavond uit?
I think they're from the Netherlands. They do have high pitch, I think, relative to. So you said they're going to call it Walla.
Yeah.
Because it's been acquired by some Arab chain. Walla doesn't sound European.
Watch out.
Yeah. Just learning that Tenerife is being acquired by Walla. Alright.
With an exclamation mark behind Walla.
Unless it means something in Spanish, but we don't know. Voila! Oh, voila!
It was in my trousers.
Why?
I don't know.
Lack of belt or what?
You don't have a belt, you come with an elastic waist.
Huh?
They've been fun until now.
Off my back is are they stealing from
And adding money to it, huh?
or emptying the
No, adding. Filling it up so people can take cash out. Oh, no.
It's open, I mean. You see the bar is open.
It's not open yet. Is it?
I say that often.
Tell them the dream, don't you?
Oh yeah. But by the time I finish, when you've done 15 grand, it'll look miles better than that. You'll be like in a Hilton back to it. I don't think you have a few points you great
I'll show you. Quiet day.
Until I've got me, they cancelled it.
Let's stick to our right.
We can't really do much more than
Of my back is but there's anything special. Let's go, right? Sorry. Go left and right.
I could even just stop champagne. I said I hope it's without these fireworks sparklers.
Oh, it's always at night.
Yeah, I can do it now.
Yeah, but
Ah, the
at night,
sparkles, yeah.
there's more effect at night than during the day. There's a feature you can actually kind of stabilize the image and even rotate it, because now, of course it's a lot more work, but straightforward. And we agreed to walk to the right side. Yeah. No, and we could stop at no, extraordinary.
Non è un romanzo di chi pagano
I feel like much more, provide much more information up here. Much more
I filmed a bit with the camera.
Yeah.
Losing my pants. I'll be
Losing
on
your
the
pants?
roads.
You wanna go to some scuba and find a set of belts or something? Unless you want to try the plastic you want. Your plastic you want. Remember this from your very weather.
Tomorrow and the day after the shorts.
But we have this plastic you want. The one with that used to put any belt. I thought whatever you wore this morning was... Yeah? And it doesn't fall. Maybe we'll replace it. Another opportunity. After that paella, I'll settle. What? This will have.
Tu peux aller là, Marie? Le souvenir.
This one. What you had yesterday? You have it here. So what are you waiting for? You better try it. A nice sweater. It can only be worn. She's wearing it. I can, well, whatever is in your mind.
Let it put here.
I noticed that. For a moment, I felt like it was a SEAL team operating in You know, they touch each other on my whole shoulder to recognize that the guys is
That's our
behind.
team.
Huh?
That's our team.
Yeah. Guys, hopefully still awake. You're on the wrong side. You're on the line. Oh. Just saying that I can allow myself to park. Oh my God.
Samen in de knop zaten.
Hier?
Ja.
Ik heb wel hier. Oh. I can't climb anymore. Now it feels like tough. There's a feature I need to discover, because what my GoPro has is which you can overlay a chart of how you can walk, but also showing things like wind per hour or miles per hour. So yeah. Unless they are made in a country where they are not supposed to come up. As you know, we are required to go in the front door, so we'll have to either walk the parallel and not to Veronica's. They all have those wind blockers that seem to help with the wind. Yeah. There should be.
There's a real strong all fly away.
Never forget to enjoy the moment. No, I want to go there. I want to go where there's fun.
Hello, very nice couple. Where are you from? Africa?
I look like you, so I'm from Africa. Yeah, I think pick up in Tenerife. Are you hungry?
I'm going to get two.
It's a nice one. It's a nice sunset.
I need to be on your right side.
Oh, yes and no. Hiding behind. Not gonna die. Over there. Roger Federer's father. There's a guy there. Remember Roger Federer's father?
No, I don't remember.
Come and watch it.
No, come again.
Макдональдс с Бенетоном магазином. Левее. Но это не то. Он тоже был.
Каждый прикинь.
Feels like that. Girls want everything. While the daughters still enjoy white.
Don't want to go back.
It's just it's the shape, huh? Love the shape. Like the strings, it's like, yeah. Yeah, girls like strings. It's not that men were forcing them to wear.
Oh, and you can't buy it.
Well, they are picking up money. Another money truck. Pizza Hut. But you don't quite. Oop.
Everyone's allowed to.
Sorry. It's so fast. We're almost there. Almost there. Smells nice. Well, those guys are selling that. Yeah, there's much. Well, the party too much. When you party hard, it's kind of makes sense. You want a kebab? It's a kebab there. That's America's kebab. Yeah. Once you're walking all day with them, they're done. Yeah, that's your leopard short. Like the Veronica's good. The whole thing.
喜欢海鲜饭。好啊。
Your prawn? Oh, it might be 5 by the time we get home. Do you really need to know what time it is? No. On holiday? You see, there's a tattoo parlor there. Downstairs. The club downstairs. Paradise Club. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate.
No, we don't. No one comes this way.
Like someone calling from another planet is asking the question, what is chocolate? And you reply, oh, you can lick chocolate. Yeah, there are crazy movies that are made with food put on.
Yeah, in Sex and the City.
Yeah.
She had put all kinds of sushi all over. And her boyfriend didn't come, he was waiting, laying like that, sushi all over. And after a while it was starting to dry off.
Yeah.
And she kept waiting. And then in the meantime you could see he was going out to do the woman, of course. And after waiting a few more hours, she got up and over on the floor. The scene in the Sex and the City.
And you made them rich.
Inside the car, cheers.
It feels too windy. The wind is strong.
I thought it was